If you're not getting the best answer from ChatGPT, it's because you're using the wrong prompts. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to craft a perfect prompt to get the best results every time. Let's dive in. Most people use ChatGPT in beginner mode, typing vague prompts and expecting perfect answers. But without the right structure, ChatGPT will never give you the ideal output. Today, I'll break down 7 best practices for effective prompt engineering. Then I'll give you a proven formula that guarantees accurate, detailed, and useful responses. And stick around, because I'll show you real-life examples of how this formula works. 1. Be specific with your question. A vague question gets a vague answer. If you ask ChatGPT, tell me about healthy foods, you'll get a generic response. Instead, try, what are 5 high-protein vegetarian foods that can help with muscle growth? This way, you'll get a focused, valuable answer. 2. Provide context for better responses. Context matters. Instead of explain the stock market, try, I'm a beginner who wants to invest in stocks. Can you explain the stock market in simple terms and suggest 3 beginner-friendly strategies? This way, ChatGPT tailors a response to your specific needs. 3. Use correct spelling and grammar. While ChatGPT can correct mistakes, clear and well-structured prompts lead to more accurate responses. For example, if you type, give me tips on reading better, the AI might still understand, but the response will be unclear or incomplete. Instead, try, how can I improve my writing skills for blog content? A well-written prompt ensures a better, more accurate response. 4. Specify the output format. If you need a list, a guide, or a short paragraph, be clear about it. Instead of, how do I stay productive? Try, can you give me a 5-step morning routine for maximum productivity? Can you summarize productivity hacks in 1 paragraph? By specifying the format, you get the exact output you need. 5. Ask follow-up questions to improve responses. Didn't get the answer you wanted? Refine your prompt. If you ask, how do I start a podcast? The answer might be too broad. Follow up with, can you list the top 3 microphones for beginner podcasters? Keep refining your prompts until you get exactly what you need. 6. Experiment with different phrasings. Sometimes, ChatGPT understands one phrasing better than another. Instead of, how can I grow my Instagram? Try, what are 5 organic Instagram growth strategies for 2025? The more precise you are, the better the answer. 7. Prompt ChatGPT for fact-checking. Want accurate information? Ask ChatGPT to fact-check itself. Instead of assuming AI is always right, say, can you fact-check this statement? Bananas contain more vitamin C than oranges? This forces ChatGPT to verify its response before giving an answer. The perfect ChatGPT prompt formula. Now, here's a formula for crafting the perfect ChatGPT prompt. Topic plus details plus goal plus format equals perfect prompt. For example, instead of, tell me about exercise, try, I have a busy schedule and can only work out for 20 minutes a day. Can you suggest a quick full body workout routine? Using this formula ensures clear, high-quality responses every time. Mastering prompt engineering unlocks the full power of ChatGPT. Let's quickly recap. Be specific with your questions. Add context and intent. Use correct grammar for better accuracy. Specify the output format. Ask follow-up questions to refine results. Try different phrasings for better responses. Always fact-check AI-generated information. Which of these tips was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see even more AI tricks, click the next video on your screen now. Subscribe for more AI hacks.